Hello, I'm going to show you some few important tips to know about these Huawei Bluetooth earphones. So I'll be showing you how to do them from now on. So the first thing we're going to do is to switch on and switch off, how to charge using the phone's charger, which is maybe the P30 or P30 Pro charger, and to charge using PC or using the cell phone itself, to show the controls of the iPhone and how to answer calls, how to reduce and increase volume. Okay, let's start. And so this is the original box of the packaging where this box was in. Okay, and from this white box you find this inside, and inside the box, that is where your earphones will be. So just remove them to show you. Okay, all right, then now you can see them, how they look, each piece. And this is where the batteries are. Okay, so these are the batteries. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just switch them on. So this is the button, just press hold here, see the light. Okay, then it's on now, it's blinking. All right, okay, the next thing now is to try to charge them. You can charge them, you have to separate this. You see the red strap there, you have to pull this both sides out like this. Then here is the charger. Since the battery is allocated this side, you have to use this as a charger. This is the charger. Okay, and you can charge it using the cell phone charger, as I mentioned, which is this. This is the original cell phone charger for the P30 which I bought. So you can charge it from here. Okay, do this. Nope. Okay, this thing, it proves me wrong that you cannot charge from the charger. Yes, this thing is the charger itself. You can see, so they are the same. You cannot put a male to male. A male needs a female. So this is the female. For this to charge, you need a cell phone, Huawei cell phone, to charge it. Okay, where's the... Since this is a on and off button, insert it. See it blinking there, it shows that it's charging. So, but for now it is fully charged. But when it's full charge, it has to stop blinking. So I think it is still charging there. Charging, you can see charging other device via USB. So this phone is capable of charging another device. Most of these Huawei smartphones, they can charge any cell phone or any other device. Okay, so you can see it's charging there, it's blinking. Alright, so another thing, you can also use the original charger for this thing, which is this one. Insert it like this, Can you connect it to your computer or the charger? Okay, just like this, and you can charge it. So it have three options: charging it using a cell phone, charging using the original charger, or connect this to your computer. It will charge. So now another thing to do for the controls. So whenever you are playing music, okay, let's remove the charger now, put it aside. So when you are playing music, you can switch off the music from this thing by just letting this ear path to attach each other. They got a magnet. So once they come together like this, automatically the music from your cell phone will switch off. So it shows that the earphones are not in use, so they switch off automatically. I will test that to prove. Okay, another thing, you can control the volume by pressing here. You can hear the click, the plus and minus. And to answer calls, you can press here at the center. I hope you can hear the click. Okay, let's test the music now. Okay, so now we're going to use the screen recorder for the cell phone so that I can be able to play music, and over that you can be able to see what is happening on my cell phone and also hear the music playing from the earphones themselves. Okay, the music is playing there. I hope you can hear it. Now let's open some let's increase the volume from the phone. Okay, the volume is increased already. Now let's just go back to the camera and bring those. Okay, you can hear now the earphones are playing. You can attempt to reduce the volume from the earphones, not from the smartphone. You can see that it shows that you're reducing from the Bluetooth and also increasing from the Bluetooth. See that? Okay. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. In case you're struggling how to manage this thing or how to operate, I think the few steps I shared with you will be helpful. For more information, you can check on the manual for the earphones. It is everything. So I just showed you basic steps on how to operate it. I think for everyone to start, they need some guidance here and there, but for advanced, you will need the book to do everything yourself. So thank you. That was it. I hope it will be helpful for you and others. In case you like the video, just click like, and you can even share with others. Cool. Thank you. Bye.